Hello guys, today I am here in South Saket Court and the matter was listed to file the reapplication of the written statement of the plant. So I was here to give the reapplication to the party and to the court, but the presiding officer was not available because he went to the Hyderabad to some judicial work. So I got a date of April. So the matter is, uh, we have to recover 38 lakhs from the respondent, from the defendant in this case, and the matter is pending before the NCLT, and the assets of the company were placed in the premises of the defendant, and defendant sold all the inventory assets because we didn't make the payment of rent. But I was in difficulty because our financial assets were telecommunication, so we couldn't make uh, the payment. So that's why he sold all the assets. But in this case, we filed a civil suit uh, in South Saket, and and in WS, the defendant uh, stated and take the defense that uh, our case should be dismissed uh, because the section 33 clause 5 of IBC, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, mandates that you need a prior approval to file a civil suit, to file a civil suit or criminal proceedings against the defendant, against the accused. So in this case, we hadn't taken any prior approval. So due to this, our case should be dismissed. But in our application to the written statement, uh, we have taken the defense that the new judicial rulings, the NCLT and NCLAT, has allowed to proceed with the case, any civil or criminal, by giving the ex post facto approval. So we are for the liquidator in this matter, and now we filed the interlocutory application in NCLT Delhi, and seeking ex post facto approval. So in our application, uh, we took a preliminary objection that there is a new judicial ruling in which the NCLT has power or authority to give the post facto approval to proceed with the all cases, civil or criminal. So now we are adhering to the case by taking the post facto approval from the NCLT. So we just made all these defenses and judgments, Isolex case of NCLT Chandigarh and the Slimline case of the NCLAT. So let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.